Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I want presentation about definition, nature, and scope of linguistics. Linguistics is a growing and interesting area of study, having a direct hearing on fields as diverse as education, anthropology, sociology, language teaching, concerned with the nature of language and communication. Linguistics is the scientific study of language. By this we mean language in general. We would say I'm studying French or English or whichever language we happen to be studying. Linguistics as science. Linguistics can be understood as a science in both general and specific terms. Ge- gener- Generally, we use the term science for any knowledge that is based on clear, systematic, and rational politics or state corp or the science of cooking. Brain's name and nature of linguistics. The core linguistic studies is the study of language structure at different levels as discussed above. Science language is a mental phenomenon. It's mental processes of thought and concept formation deal about the structures of human psychology as well as of language. Thank you.